In the heart of our planet, beneath a canopy of lush green leaves lies a key to a future where nature thrives and our world breathes with ease. It's a future we can all help create, starting with the simple act of planting a tree. Growing trees is more than just placing a seed in the ground. It's about sowing seeds of hope, nurturing life and cultivating a legacy that will stand tall for generations. When we plant trees, we're not just planting saplings, we're planting future forests that will sustain countless lives, including our own. Imagine this, a family in their own backyard, hands in the dirt, smiles on their faces. Children learn early that the plants they tenderly care for are the very foundation of life. They provide oxygen, food, shelter, and a vital balance in our environment. Every tree we plant, a parent tells their child, is a step toward a better tomorrow. A tomorrow where trees absorb carbon, produce oxygen, and provide homes for our planet's diverse wildlife. But it's not just about planting. It's about caring, nurturing, and understanding our role in the greater ecosystem. It's about community. People coming together in parks and green spaces, cleaning, planting and creating environments where both nature and humans can flourish. And it's about commitment. Protecting natural habitats is crucial. Each plant, each animal has a role that is irreplaceable. By preserving these spaces, we ensure the survival of biodiversity that maintains the health of our planet. Now, envision a city where greenery climbs the walls of buildings and rooftops are filled with gardens. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a necessity. Urban green spaces help cool our cities, lower energy use, and improve our mental well-being. They are reminders that nature should not be a place we visit, but a place where we live. Every tree planted, every garden nurtured is a step towards a future where nature and humanity coexist in harmony. It's not just for us, but for our children and all the generations to come. So I encourage you, plant a tree, nurture a garden, invest in the future. Let's grow this green revolution together, for our planet, for our future. Join us. Plant a tree today and watch as it grows, not just into a towering testament of life, but as a beacon of hope and a symbol of our commitment to a healthier, greener world.